welcome to my channel, Umar Story Review. TAKARA Tomy
Playset
PLAYSET
dengan Tomica.
dan Tomica.
Umar, you use this batteries kan?
Yeah, requires 2
LR
LR
14.
40
What size?
C
Size.
size. Batteries not
Included.
included.
Okay, batteries are not included, but we have batteries now.
Yeah,
Nika.
Yes.
Okay, batteries now. Okay. Lepas tu, Umar, what can you see? We have a few cars. Ada kereta. Thank you, Lita.
Thank you, Lita.
Lita bagi berapa banyak kereta, Umar?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
6. Umar rasa, which one is your favourite car? Sini sikit.
The Honda Civic.
The Honda bukan Civic, Honda Civic.
Honda
Civic. I think, can I get one? Ayah punya satu. I think ayah suka yang ini. Alright. Umar, are you ready to open the box?
Yeah.
Okay.
Boleh.
Boleh. Lagi.
Tarik.
All empty. Let's build it. Tight, tight, tight.
Tight, tight, tight.
To stop that roller.
Umar, which is your favourite car? Choose one.
The red one.
The red one, is that the Audi?
Yeah. Ready? Yeah! Start now! Ready! Set! Go!
Can you find the boulder?
Ooh, we'll see.
I think I want to open this one. See what happens. I see a giant there.
Where?
You are!
What? Bye-bye. Thank you, Litom and Takara Tommy for sponsoring the toys. I love you, Litom. Please send more toys. Bye-bye. Yamanobori Drive.